My channel got rejected for monetization, so I want to let you guys on so you will not make the same mistake I made when I got to this point. So let's dive into this video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Stella, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for the love and for the growth so far. The first step for monetization is that you have to reach 4,000 watch hours with 1,000 subscribers, or 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers. Then you can go ahead to apply for monetization. You will then have to link an email which has not been linked to any Google AdSense account before. If you have reached these criteria and you have linked your email, then you go ahead to apply. There are 3 stages in this application. During this application, the first stage, your channel is going to be audited by the YouTube community guideline, making sure that you have not violated any rules. After passing these 3 stages, this was the point when I was rejected. I was rejected, guys. And when I saw that I wasn't eligible for monetization, I had to check what was the issue. And when I checked, the issue was reused content. Now, this is where you guys need to sit down and listen. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you are not going to make the same mistake that I made. Okay, so this was the message I got.
Your channel is not currently able to earn.
This was the message I got. And the good thing about YouTube is that every issue, they are going to tell you why. If YouTube sends you or give you a strike or whatever, they are going to tell you the reason why. And this is what happened. I'm going to just paste it on the screen. What happened? They say after reviewing your channel using a combination of automated system and human reviewer, we found that it doesn't follow YouTube channel monetization policy. And the feedback is what? The feedback was reuse content. Now, what is reuse content? For me, what I understood as reuse content, right, was when when a particular content has been used more than once on YouTube. But when I did my findings, I found out that the reuse content is content that is not clearly your original content. It may already be on YouTube or other online sources and have no significant original commentary, modification, or educational entertainment value. So these are bullet points. I'm giving examples of this content: compilation or clips edited together, short video compiled from other social media. So if your video are having like TikTok, Facebook watermark on it, it is termed reuse content and you can't monetize with that video. Collection of songs from different artists. This one is not even new. We all know that copyrights, when you put songs of artists, most times, like if the songs are not copyright free, they are going to give you copyright, and if your video has copyright, you can't be able to monetize it, right? Content uploaded many times by other creators without significant commentary or editing. Now, the funny thing about this is that even if it's your video that you put up, if you put up your own video and you put it up more than once, maybe you have double channel, you have 2 channels, and you put one video in the channel and put the same video in another channel, maybe even in a space of months or days or weeks or years, YouTube is going to term the second video as reused video. In case this video is not for it, but in case you want me to show you how you can use one video on your 2 channels, I'm going to show you how to edit it and how to work on it for you to be able to post it. Just let me know in the comment section and I'll do a video about that. Promotion of other people's content, even if you have permission. So even if you have permission to post somebody's content, it's still going to term as reused content. For example, I was promoting Big Brother. I was still giving copyright as reused content. Content downloaded or copied from other online source without any substantial change So if you go and get content from everywhere, all those people that go and pick funny videos from different places, if you don't do any change, you just like copy from here, paste on YouTube, you still reuse content that gets views for mostly non-verbal reaction to your videos without adding voice commentary, like without you not talking or adding your own commentary. So after I noticed what was the problem, I had to like private some of those live videos, and I even had to take some of them, like most of them, out of my channel. And the funny thing was that those videos did very well. I'm talking about 75k kind of views. Like the videos did very well, but I had to bring them down because of the whole copyright and not being able to monetize because of this video. And you have two options. Then you either appeal, or after 90 days you reapply again. If you're appealing, that's you're telling YouTube that, oh, they made the mistake and you didn't have any issues. They will recheck and get back to you. If truly you did not have any issues and it was a fault, it was their mistake, then they will rectify it. But if you have a mistake and you appeal knowing well that it is your fault, then you probably get strike or you get banned from YouTube. So just make sure before you are trying to do any of these things, you do your findings. I had to reapply in 90 days, which was around October. I can't forget because I knew my birthday was October 5th and I could reapply October 10th and October 3rd. So I knew that when I reapplied, I was praying, I was telling God that this should just be like my birthday gift. I should just get this thing again because I didn't want a situation where they gave me 90 days to reapply again and my channel did not still meet. But thankfully, my channel, we passed it. So one thing I want you to also know is that when you are going through your channel before you reapply, when you delete videos from your channel, that the videos that have the issue is going to affect your watch hours, just so you know. So if you've already gotten 4,000 watch hours and you deleted your videos, it's going to affect your watch hours, it's going to reduce your watch hours. So what you are going to do is that 90 days you have to use it to build back your watch hours. I believe I have touched every door, and if you watched to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section and I'll be there to answer any question you have. I'm so grateful for you all. I can't even begin to express my joy right now. We are monetized. We are part of the YouTube partner program. I've already shared this in our community post. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay fabulous. Bye bye.